Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile 757, working on a Saturn Outlook. Customer problem was that they could not get the blower to work whatsoever, which I replaced. There are four things that cause the blower not to come on. One, wiring issues. But if you turn the blower on and it only blows on high, that will be your blower resistor. If the blower is doing absolutely nothing and you're getting power down at the plug, that will be the blower itself. Or check your fuses. If your fuses and everything is working correctly but you're still not getting power, then a lot of times it could be the control module itself. But the customer was very smart. They did their own homework, due diligence, and the blower wasn't doing absolutely nothing at all. I already replaced the blower for them. But the point of this video is I just want you to differentiate a blower resistor, which again, I'm gonna reiterate, you turn it on high and it only comes on high. If it doesn't work at all, then it's not gonna work. So this blower is doing what it's supposed to do. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.